I am Chef Munir El Hilali, co-owner of Crepes Parfait, and today we're cooking fennel, pear, orange salad in sesame oil dressing. We need 1 fennel bulb, 1 orange, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon sushi style pickled ginger, 2 tablespoons dark sesame oil, 1 pear, sesame seeds, and salt. Core and dice the pear. Add it to a bowl. Cut the bottom part of the fennel and discard. Discard the outer layer that look yellowish. Cut the top green part off and discard. Save a few fennel fronds. Cut the bulb in half, then in quarters. Using a mandolin, shave the fennel into a bowl. Chop the ginger very fine and add it to the bowl. Segment the orange. You want to cut the top part till you expose the orange inside. Cut the bottom part. Cut around the edge to expose the orange and removing the pith. And then cut the segments off, following the sides of each segment. I'm using blood orange, but you can also use navel orange. And set it aside. Pour the vinegar and the honey in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and whisk them very well. Then in a slow stream, while whisking, add the sesame oil. Whisk very well to emulsify the sesame oil in the vinegar and honey mix. Then pour the dressing on the fennel. Mix everything very well.
What are you making, Chef?
Making a fennel pear salad with orange and sesame oil dressing.
It smells delicious.
Thank you. You want some?
Yes.
How much you want to pay?
What?
Yeah.
I'm not paying anything.
Ain't nothing free.
Munir, half of everything you own is mine.
Yeah, exactly. So I want your half.
Uh-huh.
I want you to pay me towards my half.
I'm gonna pay you some attention.
Yeah. Okay. And let it rest for a few minutes for all the flavors to combine. And the rest is easy. Place the fennel on a plate, arrange the orange segments on top, sprinkle some sesame seeds, and garnish with the fennel frond. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, because there is more coming.